Good day everyone, we are BPED 2A and today we'll talk about humanism, a way of thinking that focuses on the importance, value, and abilities of people.
Humanism started during the Renaissance period. It teaches that people can improve their lives through reason, learning, and good moral choices. Humanists believe that we control our own lives not just through luck or divine power, but through our decision and action.
In modern humanism highlights, first, using reason instead of superstition. Second, basing ethics on what helps people. And last, promoting education and science for a better world. As the Humanist Manifesto in 1933 says, people are responsible for shaping their own future.
Humanism and science are closely connected. Humanists believe science helps us understand the world and improve human life. Science shows our natural curiosity and creativity. Instead of being against religion or morality, humanists see science as a way to find through observation reason. For example, medical discoveries like vaccines, organ transplants, and generic reduce pain and save lives, which fits with humanist goals. But humanists also reminds us science must serve people, not harm them. It should be never used in ways that disrespect or hurt human beings. When it comes to technology, humanism teaches that technology is only as good as the people who use it. Modern tools like AI and social media show human creativity, but they also raise important moral questions. Does this technology make life better? Does it protect our freedom and privacy? Does it help people connect or does it make them feel alone? A human-centered approach means using technology to improve learning, fairness, and well-being, not to exploit or control others. For example, digital humanism supports the use of ethical AI that respect humans' rights and individuality.
Humanism focuses on the human condition, our daily lives, struggles, and search for meaning. It accepts that life has pain and problems, but it also says that we can find purpose through kindness, creativity, and working together. In a world shaped by technology, humanism reminds us to show empathy and build connection, use our knowledge wisely, find meaning through helping others, art, and reason. Humanism teaches that we are not powerless. We can face big issues like climate change, inequality, or tech risk, using logic and moral responsibility.
In short, humanism sees science, technology as tools to help people, but they must always follow human values and respect for life.
Here are some images that illustrate the idea of science and technology as tools to help people anchored in human values and respect for life.
It tells us the true meaning does not come from machines or miracles, but from our choices, creativity, and compassion. As we continue to advance, humanism reminds us use knowledge wisely, treat others kindly, and build a future where everyone can live well. Thank you for listening. We hope our presentation helped you see how science and technology can serve humanity when guided by the ideas of humanism.